Hi, it's Dreadwas here, and I help six-figure recruitment and search firm owners scale even faster. And a lot of the recruitment and search firm owners I speak to complain about, or one of the big complaints they have is how they are treated by prospects and clients. So they feel like they're being undervalued. They feel like they're not being respected. They feel like they're being messed around by clients. And the fear is that although they don't want to be treated in a certain way, they don't want to be treated this way, and they would rather not, sort of, if they had the magic wand, they'd rather not have to deal with that particular client. Their fear is that if they walk away from that business, or if they stand their ground, or if they sort of stick up for what they believe in, or if they command the respect they really deserve, the fear is that the client will go elsewhere, buy from somebody else, and they'll lose the business, and then they're not really sure how or what they need to do to replace them. Well, the reason this happens, so if you're a recruitment and search man and you feel like the clients you're working with now or in the past or whenever, and we've all had bad clients, right? Most people have experienced this where you're working with someone who's less than ideal for whatever reason. Whenever this happens, it's usually down to how you're positioned in the marketplace. So positioning sort of falls into three categories. You've got self-positioning, which is really how you view yourself in the marketplace. You've got competitor positioning, which is how your competitors see you. And you've got market positioning, which is how the prospects that you attract into your business view you and view your services. And if you get your positioning wrong, then, as I said, you end up being pushed and you end up being bullied, quite frankly, by prospects and clients. And it also affects the fee amount you're able to charge as well, because if you're positioned in the right way, you'll get clients who respect and value what you do, and also who are willing to pay you a premium fee because they view you as the paid expert rather than the hired help. If you get it wrong, then the opposite is true. So you're unable to get the fees you want. You feel like you're being pushed and pulled around by clients and not returning your calls and not giving you feedback on time. All the sort of typical signs of a bad client usually come down to how you're positioned and whether or not you're an authority or perceived as an authority in the marketplace. And it's a very important aspect to your marketing and lead generation, and it affects really your overall enjoyment of the business you have. As I said, you get it wrong and you end up working with people you don't really enjoy working with, who don't really respect you. And when you're a business owner, you spend a lot of your time with speaking to, communicating with your clients. So that quite often you spend more time talking and speaking to them than you do with your actually family members and friends. So it's important that if you want to enjoy your business anyway, it's important that everyone you attract into your business, people you enjoy working with, people who respect you and you respect them, and people who ultimately pay you the fee that you deserve and work with you on terms that you're happy with. They respect what you do there. They return your calls. They give you feedback on time. They allow you to, rather than sort of telling you how to do your job, they allow you to guide them through the process. They work with you as a partner. They take your advice. They know that you're the expert and are willing to listen. So if you're a recruitment and search man and you'd like more clients like that, you feel like you're working with clients right now who perhaps don't respect and value your services as much as they should, perhaps aren't willing to pay the fees that you think you deserve. If you're a recruitment and search man and that sounds anything like you, send me a private message and we'll have a quick chat about the type of clients you're working with now and also the clients you'd want to be working with, what they're like, where to find them. And if we can help, I'll share with you how the recruitment and search firm owners who we work with are able to attract more of their ideal clients. So send me a private message and we can have a quick chat about it.